Hey folks, Maswakil from Global Undetectable back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to make undetectable AI content for free to bypass AI detection tools like Turnitin or Agility.ai, GPTZero, copy leaks and more. Not only AI detection tools, but even Google will have no clue if it's written using an AI, and it helps to rank content on Google search. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to create completely undetectable AI content for free, and for this we will be using Tenorshare AI bypass. Tenorshare AI bypass can generate 100% plagiarism free AI content that can bypass AI detectors like Turnitin, GPTZero or Agility.ai and more. It can not only convert ChatGPT generated AI content but can also convert Gemini generated AI content to make undetectable AI content. And all this can be done in 3 simple steps. Simply paste AI text into Tenorshare AI bypass, click humanize and get undetectable AI text. Wow, that's simply amazing. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Tenorshare AI bypass official website. Now click try bypass AI for free. Here we can log in using Tenorshare account or Google account. Can also create an account using email, or if you already have an account, simply sign in using that. Once we are logged in, here we have Tenorshare AI bypass dashboard. From here we can use AI bypass to humanize text, or can also use AI detector to detect AI text. Now let's know how to use Tenorshare AI bypass to make undetectable AI content for free. Here I have generated a few articles using ChatGPT, but when I check for AI detection using AI detectors like GPTZero, it shows 97% AI. Now we will use Tenorshare AI bypass to convert ChatGPT generated AI content into undetectable by different AI detectors, and for that simply paste the ChatGPT generated article here. Now from here we can choose different modes to make undetectable AI text. Selected it to be ultra enhanced. Now from here we can check for AI or can humanize AI text to make undetectable AI text. Let's make undetectable AI content, and for that click humanize. Tenorshare AI bypass starts to create undetectable AI text and will also check for AI detection, and within a few seconds here we have the results. It shows the output content is likely human written. Now let's check it with GPTZero and see if our undetectable AI content can bypass GPTZero or not, and for that simply copy the content by clicking on this. Now to check for AI detection, here we are back on GPTZero. Thereafter click new scan and paste it content in this box, and now click scan. GPTZero starts to scan for AI detection, and within seconds here we have the result. We are highly confident this text is entirely human. Just 2% probability AI generated, from 97% AI to just 2% AI. Wow, that's simply amazing work by Tenorshare AI bypass. We have successfully converted AI text into undetectable AI content for free in minutes. That's how easily we can make undetectable AI content for free using Tenorshare AI bypass to bypass different AI detection tools like Turnitin, Agility.ai, GPTZero, copy leaks and more. False, we can use Tenorshare AI bypass for free, but to make unlimited undetectable AI content without any words limits, we will require a plan. So now let's talk about Tenorshare AI bypass pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click unlock more benefits. Here we have different pricing plans for Tenorshare AI bypass. You can choose a plan as per your requirement. I will highly recommend you all to try out Tenorshare AI bypass if you are looking to create undetectable AI content. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to the business, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all best free PDF summarizer AI tool that can help you summarize PDF documents with ease. Best AI presentation maker in 2024. that helps to generate slides free in seconds only.